Teach Me TV back with another video. We hope all is well with you and yours. Today I want to share a story with you about a friend of mine's named Sarah. Sarah just started her online business and is happy because she felt it was time for a change. She has worked many jobs but never found a career in something that she was interested in and passionate about. Then one day, Sarah was working her overnight shift 11 to 7 a.m. This shift was a difficult one. It got in the way of spending time with her 8-year-old son. Her husband worked the day shift, so their schedules are conflicting. But they found a way to make things work. At first, Sarah thought that this shift was only temporary, until her boss decided to keep her on that shift. So she voiced her opinion about the unexpected shift change. But Sarah was told that if she didn't like it, she could look for employment somewhere else. So, that was the motivating moment Sarah needed to give her the push to live life on her terms, not just for her but for her growing family. She finally realized that she could accomplish this. She thought how funny it was that her boss felt that they could dictate her work schedule and life at the drop of a hat. It let her know that she wasn't in control of her life like she thought. Then Sarah got her chance. There was an article post she was reading in the morning while feeding her son. It talked about making money online. It piqued her interest, and she took a chance on her dreams. This opportunity gave Sarah the chance to put forth action behind her dreams. Sarah saw the potential in this space and was willing to do the work. Fast forward to a year later. Now Sarah has her own online business up and running and is making more online than working her night shift job. It wasn't long ago when Sarah's life was dictated by a boss and a work schedule that consumed her. Take the chance on yourself, start thinking outside the box and open your mind to new possibilities. I hear stories just like this all the time. This is why we do our best to give you as much information as we can. Take advantage of all the tools and resources that you will need to get up and running. I will leave the links and resources in the description. Also sign up for the newsletter, and we will get you pointed in the right direction. We want to make sure your life is in your hands and no one else's. If that sounds good to you, hit the links and get started now. Here at Teach Me TV, we want you to succeed, and for you to succeed you need reliable information. That is our mission to you. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. We will see you on the next one.